Hello everyone, my name's Laura and welcome to the Coupon Club. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the Dollar General 5 off of 25 deal I put together for this Saturday, March 14th. And this is a really good deal, guys. I got my subtotal down to $2. So I'm so excited to go out and get this deal. There are some great products in there. I got that new Dawn Platinum dish spray, some razors, toothpaste, laundry detergent, shampoo, conditioner. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys how to do all of this. And if you're new to couponing at Dollar General, it is so simple. All you need to do is download the Dollar General app, create an account, clip some coupons to your account, and then once you're at the store, when you're at checkout, enter in your phone number and you'll be good to go. The digital coupons which you have clipped to your account will automatically come off, reducing your total to something amazing. And if you guys like this deal, let me know down in the comment section below, because I did put together a couple more deals for Dollar General. So let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see a few more deals. Anyways, let's get into this amazing deal, which will cost you only $2. We're going to start off this deal with the freebie, and that's going to be on the Gain Dryer Sheets 15 count or the Gain Fabric Softener, which is found in the dollar aisle. Both of these are priced at $1 and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making it free. But keep in mind you can only pick up one of these, so pick or choose which one you want. Next on the list is the Dawn Platinum Dish Spray. This is a new product that came out recently and it's pretty cool, so I definitely recommend you guys pick this up if you have the opportunity and just try it out. This is priced at $4.95, but we have a $2.50 digital coupon, making the final price just $2.45. Now we're going to pick up some razors, and we actually have two digital coupons for the Bic razors for $3 off each, and the pack of Bic Soleil razors 3-pack is only priced at $3.30. So you want to pick up two of these razors, and we're going to use two of those digital coupons, bringing our price from $6.60 down to just 60 cents. So this is a great deal on some razors if you guys need them. And remember guys, I'm going to be showing you the individual breakdown for each of these deals, but I am getting all these deals together and using that $5 off a $25 coupon to make our out-of-pocket really, really low. So keep watching and I'll show you the rest of the items we're getting. Alright, so now we're going to pick up some Crest toothpaste. First we're going to get the Crest 3D White Charcoal. This is normally priced at $4 and we have a $3 off digital coupon, making it just $1. Don't move away from the Crest yet though, because we're also going to be picking up the Crest Baking Soda and Peroxide, which is priced at $2, and we have a $2 off digital coupon, making this a freebie. And guys, keep in mind that this deal is a glitch deal, and what a glitch deal means is that the digital coupon that we're using is not meant to work on this product. So at any time, Dollar General can fix this glitch and make it so the coupon does not work for this Crest anymore. So on Saturday when you go to do this deal, just go into your Dollar General app, and then go to the Coupons tab on the bottom, and then in the search bar at the top, you'll see like a barcode. Tap that barcode, and then you're going to want to actually scan the barcode on the product inside the store, and you'll be able to see any eligible coupons for that product. So when you're in the store on Saturday, just pick up this Crest, scan the barcode, and if that coupon will still come off, it'll show you right there that this coupon will still come off. And if it's not going to come off, it'll show you again right there. Anyways, the next couple items we're going to be picking up are also glitch deals, and these are on the Head & Shoulder travel size. These are normally priced at $2, and right now there's a digital coupon for $3 off of any two Head & Shoulders. Now this is a glitch because this $3 off of any two Head & Shoulders is not supposed to work on the travel size products, but it is. So on Saturday, also with these products, before you go to the register and check out, be sure to scan the barcode on the back of these and make sure that this digital coupon is still applying. Now onto our last item, and that's going to be the Tide Simply Laundry Pods. These are normally priced at $2.95, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, knocking the price down to just $1.95. Now that we have all our items together, just to run down really quick, we're going to get one Gain Dryer Sheet or Fabric Softener, one Dawn Platinum Dish Spray, two Bic Soleil razors 3-packs, one Crest 3D White Charcoal toothpaste, one Crest Baking Soda and Peroxide toothpaste, two Head & Shoulders travel sizes, and one Tide Simply laundry detergent. All these items together is going to bring your subtotal to $25.50, which means that we did hit that $25 threshold, so we can use our $5 off a $25 coupon. And these are all the digital coupons which we are going to be applying towards our purchase today, and this is a total of $23.50 of coupons. So go through your Dollar General account, double check that you have all these coupons clipped, and you're good to go. Now all together, here is our final breakdown. Subtotal before coupons, $25.50. Our coupon value applied was $23.50, so our final cost after coupons is just $2. And look at all these things we are getting. Only Dollar General can make these things possible, right? Let's see how many items we have here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 items. So that is 9 items for $2 or just 22 cents per item. This is a fifth of the price of Dollar Tree, guys. There, you are not going to be able to find these prices anywhere else. So if you want these products, if you need these products, if you want to try these products, definitely go to Dollar General this Saturday, March 15th, and do this deal. Alright guys, that's it for this Dollar General deal for Saturday, March 14th. I am definitely going to be doing this deal myself for $2. I don't know why I wouldn't. If you like this deal, don't forget to like down below. And I am all about those low out-of-pocket deals. So if you guys are too, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and happy shopping. I'll see you in the next one.